So let's put my kettle on here. I should have cleaned my grill a little bit, but I don't know why this is so much pressure on here. But I'm going to show you today how to make mint tea. Okay, so let's go over here to our mint plant. Here, look at this one. This is basil, by the way. If you make your own pizza, you put that on there. And this is mint. See, there's little animals walking around on it, so let's shake it a little. And then just snip the leaves off. You can see them here. There's new ones coming already. We pick like good ones. There's one. Oh, I dropped one. Oh, I wasted. The smaller, newer ones taste better. With more flavor. Yeah, it smells already incredible. Yeah, there. Is that enough? Do one more. We're gonna make a strong tea today. Oops, I dropped the small one again. But, oh, I dropped another one. And that's what happens in nature. So let's see over here. I have a cup here with a spoon in it. And for the guys who want it a little sweet, like a little bit sugar in there, like 1 teaspoon. And make sure that your tea is super well. You check out for little small animals. Is there one on there? Yeah, look at this. 1 leaf. 2 leaves, 3 leaves. Look, the ant here is interested. Look, this one here was eaten by some animals. Can you see those holes in there? Isn't that great? That makes the tea much better. Ooh, you know, nice leaf. This one too there. Neat, right? Okay, so how's our water going? It's running, it's running. We just have to wait for it to make the noise, and while that happens, we can play with the dog. It's ready. Look at it. So now we take a quick peek in there. No bug in there? No, okay. Nice water on top of it. There it goes. And then it has to sit for 5 minutes. There's my tea. All organic mint. 5 minutes it has to sit. And then we can take it over here to the table where we can enjoy this nice organic tea. Look at it. Be careful when you touch your spoon here. I left it in here by accident. Be careful that you don't burn yourself because it's pretty hot. So we do have all the leaves in here. Let's see if we get them out. That's what you do when you do videos. You have only one hand available sometimes. There's one down there on the bottom. Two. Is there more? Down there on the bottom. I think that's all of them. No more in there. Nice. Let me see, it looks very hot. Very hot. But it tastes fantastic. Look at my old leaves. This is compost. You know? You don't need them anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna compost them in my lawn. Oop. There we go. Maybe the dog is gonna chew on them. You think? Would you? You wouldn't.